and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. This is a limited edition holiday palette. You can still get it both here in Europe and in North America, I know, so I decided it would be fun to do a review of this one, and I've done this in a way where I create 3 different looks with this palette, 1 everyday look and 2 more kind of party looks, so you can see how this works. I've used pretty much all the colors in the palette, so you can see how they look on the skin, how they apply to the skin, and kind of get an idea of which kind of looks you can create using this. So I hope you like my video, and without further ado, let's just jump right into it. To start out, I'm going to create a nice and neutral everyday look using colors like Unity, Eden, and Parallel right here. I've already primed my lids using my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer, and then I put Unity in my crease. My camera wasn't recording, but you know, I already did this. As you can see, it's pretty close to my skin color, so that's a nice transition shade right there. Then I am picking up Eden, and I am just using this on the same brush, and I'm placing this slightly lower in my crease, and I'm using this as my crease color, and I'm just placing this all over the perimeter. This is a very nice and pigmented shadow, so I'm just dipping my brush into the color, not doing any swirling, and it builds up nicely on the eye. Then I'm going to pick up the color Saturn, and I'm placing this all over my lid. Still just using that very same brush. And I'm just dabbing this on. And if you dab instead of brushing the color on, you minimize the risk of any fallout. And then, when the color is safely placed on your lid, you can start blending out the edges. Like so. These colors are super easy to work with. Then I'm picking up Parallel, and I'm placing this in the outer C of the eye. Like so. This was super easy and quick to blend. It looks stunning in real life. It might look a little weird, I see, on camera. The color looks a little different, but in real life this looks stunning. Then I'm going to pick up a little bit of Eternal, and I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm just dabbing this like right here at the center of my eye, just for a little pop of shimmer right here. And then for the under eye area, I'm picking up a smaller brush, and I'm picking up the color Unity again. And I'm just placing this under here. Then I'm picking up the color Eden again, and I'm placing this all the way below my eye. Then I'm picking up a pencil brush and the color Saturn, and I'm placing this on the outer half of my eye. And that's it. Then I'm going to put on some mascara before I put on a inner corner highlight, and I'll show you the entire face. So this is the finished look with mascara, and if I zoom you out, it looks like this. Pretty nice and simple. These colors were super easy to work with. So let's go on to the next look. So I washed off my makeup and primed my eyes all over again, and we're ready for look number 2. This time I think I'm going to try something with this blue up here, this Cyrus. So let's just pick up a fresh brush and jump right into it. I am going to start out with Unity once again, and I am just placing this like up here, just as a transition shade. Like so, and then I am going to pick up this color here, Lore, and I'm using this as my crease color. This is kind of a nice cool toned transition shade. I am picking up a shader brush and the color Obsidian. This is a black, maybe perhaps with a hint of blue, and I'm just placing this all over my lid. Oh yeah, this is a true black. Just bringing this all the way up to the purplish Lore shade. I'm kind of smoking it out so it's darker towards the lash line. And as you can see, this is no fallout. Then I'm just going to go over the transition just without any extra product on the brush that we were using for Lore, and just to smoke that out. And then I am using my finger again and the color Osiris, this one right here, and we're placing this all over the lid. So this color looks stunning when used with a finger. I probably could have used a wet brush as well, but I think your finger is like an underrated tool for applying makeup. And then we're just going to go in again with the color that we used for Lore, with the brush we used for Lore, and a little bit of extra product on the brush, and just smoke out this transition, making everything nice and smooth. Then for the under eye area, we are picking up a clean brush and the color Lore, and we're just washing this all over the perimeter and connecting it up into the outer corner. And then for inner eye highlight, I'm going to pick up this color Lucid, and I'm going to use my pinky finger, and I'm just dabbing this on here. See, wow, oh my gosh, yeah, that's a lot. So this color Lucid is perhaps not so surprising, but extremely lucid. So I'm just going to pick up a clean brush and sort of just blend that out a little. Like so. And then I'm going to put on mascara and be right back. So this is the finished look with mascara. I think it looks beautiful. Let's zoom you out so you can see the whole face. Whoops. This is how it looks. So let me just go and wash this off and I'll do the final look. So I'm back with a clean face for the final look. For this I'm going to pick up the brush that came with the palette and the color, again, the color Unity. And I'm just placing this on my upper crease. And I'm picking up the color Sphere right here. It's the yellow color in the palette. And I'm just using the same fluffy brush and I'm using this in my crease. Just blending it into that Unity color. Also, this color Unity is a little more powdery than the other colors in the palette. Then with the other side of the brush, I am going to pick up this green blackish color Throne. It has a beautiful shift to it, but I don't think you can see it because of the failing daylight. And I am hoping, oh yeah, this works with a brush as well. And I'm placing this all over the lid. And then we're just taking the yellow side without any more product, just blending out the edges, making it nice and smooth. And seeing as this is green and yellow, this should blend out quite okay. And then for my under eye area, I am picking up the color Unity, and I'm just brushing this under here. And then to like balance out all of this yellow and green, I'm going to pick up the color Eden and wash this under my eye as well. And then I'm going to use my finger and pick up this color right here, Dimension, and place this on the inner half of my eye, or inner third perhaps. Just blend this into the blue, like so. And then I am picking up the color Saturn, and I'm using this on the outer half of my under eye area, and I'm just using a small pencil brush. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm picking up Lucid, and this time I'm using a small brush because my fingers are so clumsy today. So I think that's just better. And I think this kind of silvery color of Lucid goes really well with the silver color of Dimension. And then I am just going to finish up the rest of my face, and I'll show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I think it looks pretty. So with all three looks done, let's move on to talking about this palette for a little bit. This palette comes in a soft touch cardboard kind of package, and when you take it out, it looks like this, and it has a nice velvety feel, and you know, this whole prism kind of pattern that you've all seen by now. Doing these three looks, I've used pretty much all the colors in here except from Pyramid, Sphinx. Yeah, except from Pyramid and Sphinx. And I have to say I love all of these colors with one small exception. I think this yellow color, this sphere, has like, it has more fallout, and it's a little bit different to work with from the rest of the colors. The other colors are really nice, smooth, buttery, blends very well. But this sphere color it still blends pretty well, and I do like it, but it's just a little bit more chalky and has a little bit of fallout. So just be aware of that when you use this palette, that this one color will have a slightly different texture and be slightly different to work with. I really don't think there's much else to say about this palette. It has like so many beautiful colors. As I hope I showed you, you can create so many different kinds of looks. Everything from nice, neutral, everyday looks to like crazy party looks to like family holiday dinner kind of looks. So I do really feel that this palette has like a little bit of everything. I really like it. I do feel that this will be probably one of my staple palettes in the times to come right now. Yeah, I actually really loved this palette. As of right now, it's still on sale on Sephora, on Beauty Bay. If you live in Scandinavia, it's still on Kicks. You can get it like loads of different places. So if you can, I would, or if you're considering getting this palette, I would definitely get it. It's totally worth it. It's beautiful, it's easy to work with. Yeah, I loved it. So that's it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, not off. A thumbs up. If you have any questions, any requests, any wishes for future looks, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will put like a link right here. If you want to see anything else that I've done, I'll link a video right up here. And that's all for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye!